paneer. So for to make a pastry, you need 1.5 cup all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon salt. Carom seeds, I put like half a teaspoon. 3 tablespoons oil.
What type of oil?
This is sunflower oil. You can use any oil you like. So I'm gonna mix this all together properly. So I'm gonna put half a cup of warm water first, just like that. I'm gonna put water as I need it. You don't want to make it loose, you want to make it really nice, thick, like hard. Easy to roll the samosas. So there you go, dough is ready. We're gonna let it sit for half an hour, then we're gonna make the samosas. Yeah, I'm just gonna cover it and let it sit. Okay, all right, done. So I have this wok ready to make the stuffing. I got 3 tablespoons oil, and I got 1 onion chopped. I'm gonna cook that like this, and I'm gonna add cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and I have 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, half grinded, not fully, cut in half, and stir it. I'm not gonna overcook it, just cook a little bit, keep the crunchy to it. And I have 1 green pepper. I'm gonna add that there, not too much because the girls don't like too spicy. So there you go. Now I'm gonna add, I have 200 gram paneer cut in very small pieces, and I'm gonna add that in here, just like this, and mix it. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. If you have fresh, you can use fresh. Salt as per your taste. Now you can add crushed chilies if you like. I'm not gonna use them. Be too spicy for the girls. And I have here a little bit Chaat Masala. I'm gonna use that in here. And half a teaspoon white peppers. It's good to use that in here. Yeah. So I'm gonna use like 3/4 tablespoon with a big cornstarch mixed in water. Mix it. I don't want to make too watery. Just make it a little bit. Put the heat down. There you go. And I'm gonna add the potatoes in here. Schezwan sauce. There you go. Oh, it's not too much in there, so that's perfect. And I'm gonna also add like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. Mix it. I'm gonna put the heat down. Don't want to burn it. There you go. Looking awesome. Now I'm going to add fresh coriander in here. and mix it. Schezwan sauce, samosa stuffing is ready. So I'm going to do the filling, do this next step. All right, there you go. So there you go. I rolled the dough like that, this much, and cut it, and I filled it. Now I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. I brushed it with oil a little bit outside, so make it a little crispier. There you go. So I'm gonna continue doing this. Just roll it like that. Cornstarch in here. Well, you can have all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon, and mix it with water and seal it. It's easier. Just fill it like this, Just seal it that way. That's all. Simple. And just press it like that. Brush a little bit of oil, just like this. Better than deep frying. That will be crispy. Nice and crispy. There you go. So there you go. Samosa is ready, look. Alright. Ready like 7 minutes. Took 7 minutes, like 3.5 minutes each side.
Look at that.
So there you go, the girls are tasting.
I didn't eat them. So yummy.
Yeah. So please, if you like my video, remember to like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.